compliments is sometimes you start to go more than that. Or you start to, sometimes it's like, you're good, now you're trying to improve even more.
Yeah.
You try to make it even more perfect when what you were doing was already good. So it's hard to sometimes give a compliment, or it's risky giving a compliment, because then it really, it almost has the opposite effect. Stand by a minute, Mike. Whiteman Tower, 23 Victor Hotel.
I have 23 Victor Hotel, Whiteman Tower.
Yeah, I would like to step out of the helicopter and let my student do 3 pickups and set downs and a hover. So I do have a radio on me. Are you okay with that?
Approved.
Copy that. Exiting the aircraft. All right, you ready for this?
Going next. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Or, yeah.
Whenever you're ready, just go ahead and pick it up and set it down.
Okay. That's so freaky.
Whiteman Tower, Cherokee 7 Hotel Papa is ready to go left downwind departure. 3417 Hotel Papa, Whiteman Tower left down departure approved, runway 12 clear for takeoff. Clear for takeoff, runway 1278.
I am absolutely crapping myself.
that feel?
Terrifying. Absolutely flippin' terrifying. I was like, the first one, I'm like, I'm not sure if I can get us back down again.
I know, a little bit of weight makes a huge difference, doesn't it?
Yeah, it's a lot squirrely, more squirrely when you're...
And it takes more to get it down.
Yeah, it definitely takes more to get it down.
You're like, okay, come on.
I mean, it was okay if I just sat hovering for a minute, then it started to become more... you start to get a feel for it a bit more.
Yeah. Okay, back taxi a little bit.
I thought I was going to have to dump it on the first one too.
Yeah, and like you set it down fine. Like you were a little rough, but you were fine. Like that's why we also want students to know, like you can just, if you have to, dump it a little bit.
Yeah.
Or you can set it down rough, but don't dump it, just you can set it down rough.
It wasn't tilting back as much as I thought it would. Hey, it's totally different again.
Back to the basics, right?
Yeah.
All right, you ready to, we're going to do one pattern with me, and then I'm going to get out, and then, what I'm going to actually go ahead and hold it right here. What I'm going to have you do, you know what a max performance takeoff is?
Yeah.
We're already using a lot, so no one worry, back it up more. White End Tower, helicopter 23 Victor Hotel, we'd like to rejoin the pattern.
Go 3 Victor Hotel, you need the back taxi.
We can go ahead and take off from here.
Go 3 Victor Hotel, wind calm, altimeter 995 left, close traffic, report down to be in the service time.
Left cross traffic, report down, wind to be in 3 Victor Hotel. Okay, go ahead and go. Short field takeoff. Go ahead and start your climb. Can't reach 55, but we gotta hear a climb or else we run into shit, right?
Yeah. Oh, I didn't like that. I was awfully close.
And raise the power a little bit more. There we go. And I'll go ahead and make the radio call again. I'm going to ask them to go to transit and then let me out for pattern, for solo pattern work. Your butthole is way puckered though, huh?
It's going to be even freakier up here by myself.
I have all the confidence in you, so, like, believe me, I wouldn't let you be doing this. I had more confidence in you than I had with the other guy that's already had 40 hours. Victor Hotel, can we go ahead and go to transit after this one so I can get out and let my student do 3 solo patterns?
Welcome to 3 Victor Hotel. There appears to be a dolly on the transient pad. You can set it down in front of the terminal. Exit at Charlie, set it down in front of the terminal building.
Exit at Charlie, set it down in front of the terminal building. Thank you. 3 Victor Hotel.
Go 3 Victor Hotel, runway 12, clear to land.
12, clear to land. Alright, so again, you're going to ask them to go to transit on your third one. And I'm going to be listening, and I'll make any corrections. But, yeah, so you're going to... So on your third one, like if you do a go around, don't count that as one.
Where am I aiming for?
We're exiting. Last time we exited Delta. Next time we're exiting at Charlie.
This time's Charlie.
Charlie is the one just before it, the middle one.
Okay.
Like he'll be like, request to go back to transit to get my instructor, and he'll say exit at Charlie, and you'll say exit at Charlie. And remember, you can take your time, you can say it slow, it doesn't have to come out real fast.
So what, land at transient, or?
You're gonna go to where the gates are, or where the fence is. And you see how the sign says Charlie?
Yeah.
So, keep your speed going, because we're just going to continue on. We're not going to bring it into a hover. So follow the line, keep your heading with the line. That's that. Yeah, we're going over there.
Okay.
Over to, basically where you see the others, that kind of pole that comes up.
Yeah.
Over by the lamppost. But good for trying to square off everything. Alright, this is good right here. Actually scoot forward just a little bit more. We'll go to, you see where there's a change of color? We'll just go on the other side of that. Okay. And you're gonna ask him to rejoin the pattern. He'll probably have you take off from your current spot.
I just get onto the...
It's 23 Victor Hotel, Wyman Tower helicopter, like to rejoin the pattern. Hotel, that close traffic.
118, the 405 with Echo inbound for
I just use the...
Taxiway?
Taxiway is the wrong way.
Helicopter 4780 Hotel, Wyman Tower, report cross Interstate 5, right base runway 12. Report correct 580 Hotel.
23 Victor Hotel, I'm exiting.
Helicopter 23 Victor Hotel, request to rejoin the pattern, close traffic.
Helicopter 23 Victor Hotel, Wyman Tower, do you want the taxiway or the runway?
The taxiway is good, 23 Victor Hotel.
Helicopter 3 Victor Hotel, winds calm, altimeter 29905, Alpha taxiway south, cleared for takeoff, left close, traffic report down when it be in the tower each time.
Clear for takeoff, report downwind beam 23 Victor Hotel.
8 Sierra Hotel, 118 in the 5. Helicopter 8 Sierra Hotel, runway 12. Clear to low approach, keep the approach between Charlie and Delta, no hovering over the runway, winds calm up to 29905. I have a student doing solos here in the pattern here in front of you, so just be careful. Roger, clear low approach, runway 12, 8 Sierra Hotel. Matter of fact, 8 Sierra Hotel, he's a little bit slow to take off. Why don't you plan a left 270 back to the final approach course. Roger, 8 Sierra Hotel. Helicopter 8 Sierra Hotel, runway 12, clear low approach. Clear low approach, runway 12, 8 Sierra Hotel.
That's just too weird. Helicopter 23 Victor Hotel, downwind abeam.
Helicopter 3 Victor Hotel, runway 12, cleared low approach, wind calm.
Cleared runway 12, 23 Victor Hotel. Helicopter 23 Victor Hotel, request transient pick up an instructor.
Helicopter 3 Victor Hotel, Roger, you can plan to, just like you did before, exit at Charlie, you can set it down right in front of the terminal.
Exit Charlie, down from the terminal, 23 Victor Hotel.
Morning, I'm TV5, good afternoon, TV5 northbound out of Burbank, inbound 8 is Echo, landing Halifax. TV5, I'm at town, northbound transitions approval, altimeter is now 2995. 95 TV5. Helicopter 3 Victor Hotel, your instructor jumped on the radio here, he said, did you want to do a couple more? You can do a couple more, yes.
Okay, sure, I'll try one more. 23 Victor Hotel.
Down one beam 80 Hotel.
Helicopter 80 Hotel, just continue down on a call you base.
Continue down on 80 Hotel.
That's the 65813, winds calm, altimeter 2995, taxi running 12 Alpha. And what, TV5 on a right downwind beam. TV5, Roger, you got the helicopter here between Charlie and Delta? I do. Yeah, it's a student there in a solo here, so just be careful. Base, type base, runway 12 clear. Type base, cleared 12 TV5, and I've got the helicopter on the run. Helicopter 80 Hotel, turn left base.
Roger, Canada base 80 Hotel.
Green, green. Right.
ATR Hotel on final for 12.
Helicopter 8, Sierra Hotel, runway 12, clear local.
Clear local, 12, Sierra Hotel.
2-3 Victor Hotel, downwind of beam, request transient for instructor.
November 3, Victor Hotel, traffic helicopter short, final, runway 12, clear to land, plan to exit at Charlie. Winds calm, altimeter 995.
Clear to land, runway 12, exit Charlie, 2-3 Victor Hotel.
Helicopter TV4 is waiting out of Burbank airspace inbound for landing time. Remember, we have Echo.
2-4, Wyman Tower, right traffic, runway 12, port down to beam.
Right time, 12, port down with beam TV4.
Lights set.
Just north of Van Nuys, inbound information. Bravo.
Cessna 309er Echo Foxtrot, Wyman Tower, report crossing the Interstate 5 of the 118 for right base runway 12. Updated winds are calm, altimeter 3, make that 2995.
Roger, report the 118 in the 5, and I'm sorry, we're at Diamond 309er Echo Fox.
Hey, Sierra Hotel, downwind of beam, requesting taxiway Alpha Bravo.
Update your tel, continue downwind.
Continuing downwind, 8 Sierra Hotel.
TV4, short approach, runway 12, clear land, wind 1404.
TV4, roger. Flight time tower,
Airport information, Echo 1847, Zulu, wind calm, visibility 10, clear, temperature 20, dew point 1. 65813, Wyman Tower, hold short, runway 12. Landing, departing,
hold short, runway 12,
departure, 1330.
And Tower TV4, let's do a go around for men and equipment on the ramp.
Alright, it's approved. Do you need to hold, want to hold somewhere? For the moment, just left traffic.
Yeah.
Diamond 9er Echo Fox, right base from there, runway 12, clear land.
Sorry, Echo Fox, is that clear land runway 12 for 9er Echo Fox?
Diamond 9 Echo Fox, runway 12, clear land.
Runway 12 clear land, 9er Echo Fox.
Cessna 813, left downwind departure, runway 12, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 12813.
TV4, you just want to hold over there?
Yeah, we're going to slow it back. We'll keep it in tight and very, very slow until they kind of move that stuff.
Roger.
Okay, landing, but on the ground.
Nature Hotel, turn left base.
Turn the left base.
Well,
Can't feel my fingers. That was cool. I like that a lot.
big confidence booster though, huh?
Yeah, absolutely.
Actually, I wanted you to go around 3 times, but that's all right.
I was fine.